What's up, guys? It's Mike, the Smokin Monkey, and I'm back today with an unexpected video because I didn't expect that I was going to be making this today. And as you guys can see, like I've been telling you, I wear full gear with good gloves and a jacket and all that great stuff when I go on long rides. So I was actually out on one of my rides today and I got a notification that my motorcycle parts are here. So luckily my brother was home, he signed for them, and we've got something waiting for us back at home. I don't want to say just what quite yet, but let's go back, let's install, well, not install, because actually I don't even have time to install it. The sun's gonna go down. As you guys can see, it's about an hour out from being dark. I didn't expect to make this video, but parts are here, so I gotta update you guys. And let's go run back home quickly, get some gas on the way, and I'll show you guys what I got. And I'll give you guys a hint, it is an OEM Suzuki part. And in case you guys were wondering, I always wear riding shoes. You know what? All the stations are full, and well, all the spots are full at this station, I should say. And I am cooking alive, so I'm not going to be sitting here even though the sun's going down. The humidity is incredible today, so I am getting my ass back out on the road, and we can fill her up next time we go for a ride. Alrighty, guys, let's see what we got. As you guys can see, we even got the Suzuki tape. Suzuki. Instructions, and here it is. I got myself the meter visor. Now this sits like so. It will sit there like this, and it comes over the gauge cluster here, but it's supposed to provide a little bit of wind protection. So it's supposed to break up the wind pressure when you're riding at higher speeds. It actually only comes in 2 different colors here in Canada. You could buy it in a third color in a black, but that one ships from Japan and I wanted it to come a little bit quicker. And since I have the white stripe here and the white along the tail here, it kind of ties in. Now, I don't have time to actually take things apart and put it on for you guys in this video, but you can kind of get the idea, and I think it'll look pretty nice. It's not too bad. I think it looks better than if I got the red one. But definitely, we're gonna do some testing. I'm gonna see if it actually does help with the wind pressure. As well, I have another actual windscreen on order. The Givi. I forgot the model name, but it's made by Givi in Italy. And I'm gonna be testing the difference between this guy and the Givi. Now you can see it gives you a little bit of coverage there, nothing too crazy, but hopefully it does break up the wind enough that you can feel the difference. And we'll see. I'm gonna do some longer rides, some high-speed runs, and we'll try it out. As well, I have a few other things coming. I'm gonna be trying out the tuck and roll seat, so if you guys are interested in that. I actually like the look of this seat, but the number one thing people always say is is it comfortable, or I've heard it's uncomfortable, or things like that. So I'm gonna buy the tuck and roll seat just to show you guys what the option from Suzuki is, and if it's actually a better option. Because Corbin makes a seat, but I don't like how the hump comes up in the back. It kind of doesn't suit my taste. I think it could look a lot better. So definitely what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pick up the original Suzuki seat and give you guys my opinion on that. But the next thing going on is this. So if you guys want to see the install and review, I'm going to be releasing that video next, and hopefully you guys will be there with me. So thanks for watching, guys. Once again, please don't forget to like and subscribe, because more videos are coming your way, and hopefully you'll be there with me. But until next time, ride safe out there, guys, and peace.